Have you ever wondered what secrets lie frozen at the bottom of our world? Antarctica, a vast, icy desert, is often called the Forbidden Continent. But why? Is it just because of the extreme cold and isolation? Or is there something more, something hidden beneath its miles-thick ice sheets? Today, we're embarking on an epic journey to explore the incredible scientific discoveries in Antarctica that are rewriting the history of our planet. Forget the wild theories. The truth is far more fascinating. Antarctica wasn't always a frozen wasteland. Millions of years ago, it was part of a supercontinent called Gondwana, connected to South America, Africa, Australia, and India. Imagine this: Antarctica covered in lush green forests, teeming with life, including dinosaurs. How do we know this? Scientists have found irrefutable evidence. In the 1980s and 90s, paleontologists unearthed the fossilized remains of dinosaurs like the Cryolophosaurus, a large crested predator that roamed these ancient forests about 190 million years ago. They've also found fossils of plant-eating dinosaurs, ancient amphibians, and even early mammals. These discoveries aren't just cool. They prove that Antarctica once had a temperate climate, a world away from the icy landscape we see today. But the story doesn't end with dinosaurs. The ice itself is a time capsule, a library of Earth's climate history. Scientists drill deep into the ice, extracting ice cores that can be miles long. These cores contain tiny air bubbles trapped from ancient atmospheres, giving us a direct snapshot of the Earth's climate hundreds of thousands of years ago. By analyzing these bubbles, we can measure past levels of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases. This data is crucial. It shows us natural cycles of ice ages and warming periods, helping us understand the context of our current climate change. It's like reading a history book written by the planet itself, with each layer of ice being a different page, detailing volcanic eruptions, asteroid impacts, and dramatic shifts in our atmosphere. This isn't speculation. It's hard data, meticulously collected and studied. So, how did this green paradise turn into the coldest place on Earth? The answer lies in plate tectonics. Around 34 million years ago, Antarctica broke away from South America. This separation opened up the Drake Passage, allowing a powerful ocean current, the Antarctic Circumpolar Current, to form. This current essentially isolated Antarctica, circling it with cold water and preventing warmer ocean currents from reaching its shores. The continent began to cool rapidly, and the great ice sheets we see today started to form. This dramatic climate shift is a powerful reminder of how interconnected our planet's systems are. A change in continental positions can completely transform the global climate. And what about life under the ice? For a long time, scientists believed the subglacial environment was sterile, but they were wrong. One of the most astounding discoveries has been the existence of vast subglacial lakes, like Lake Vostok and Lake Whillans, buried under more than 2 miles of ice. These lakes have been isolated from the outside world for millions of years. When researchers finally managed to drill into Lake Whillans, they found a thriving ecosystem of microorganisms. These tiny life forms have survived in total darkness, under immense pressure, and in freezing temperatures, likely getting their energy from minerals in the rocks rather than sunlight. This discovery is a game changer. It shows that life can exist in environments we once thought were impossible, which has huge implications for our search for life on other planets and moons in our solar system, like Mars or Jupiter is moon Europa, which may have similar subglacial oceans. The mysteries don't stop there. Deep within the transantarctic mountains, a bizarre phenomenon known as blood falls seeps out from the Taylor Glacier. It is a plume of salt water so rich in iron that it rusts on contact with the air, staining the ice a deep, blood-red color. For years, its source was a puzzle. Scientists now know it's flowing from a subglacial lake trapped for millions of years. The water is extremely salty and contains a unique community of microbes that have survived without light or oxygen. They breathe iron instead. Blood Falls is a window into a hidden ancient world, a living laboratory for understanding how life can adapt to the most extreme conditions imaginable. It's a testament to the sheer tenacity of life. Beyond geology and biology, Antarctica is also a perfect window into space. The dry, clear atmosphere and stable air make it one of the best places on Earth for astronomy. Telescopes at the South Pole, like the IceCube Neutrino Observatory, aren't looking at stars with light. Instead, IceCube uses a cubic kilometer of the Antarctic ice itself as a detector to spot tiny elusive particles called neutrinos. These ghost particles travel from distant cosmic events like exploding stars and black holes. By studying them, we learn about the most violent and energetic processes in the universe. So, while we're digging down to uncover Earth's past, we're also looking up to understand the cosmos. And the search continues. Antarctica is a treasure trove of meteorites. The cold, dry conditions preserve these rocks from space perfectly. Because the dark meteorites stand out so clearly against the white ice and snow, expeditions can find thousands of them. These aren't just any rocks. They are pieces of asteroids and other planets, including Mars and the Moon. Studying them gives us direct samples of other worlds without ever having to launch a mission to collect them. They are messengers from across the solar system, holding clues about how planets form and the building blocks of life itself. So, is Antarctica a forbidden continent hiding some grand conspiracy? No. It's a continent protected by international treaty, preserved for peace and science. The true history it holds isn't one of lost cities or aliens, but something far more profound. The story of our planet's dynamic climate, the incredible resilience of life, and our own place in the universe. The real secrets of Antarctica are being unveiled, not by conspiracy theorists, but by dedicated scientists from around the world working in one of the harshest environments on Earth. They are the true explorers, piecing together the epic history of our world, one ice core, one fossil, and one meteorite at a time. The story they are telling is the real history of our planet. Thank you so much for joining us on this incredible journey to the bottom of the world. So what do you think? Is Antarctica just a frozen wasteland, or the vault of Earth's hidden history? Let me know your theories in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the forbidden continent, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to HistoroMystic, where the past comes alive in ways you've never imagined. And if you're ready for more mysteries, stick around, because in the next video, we uncover the shocking secrets of the lost civilizations that may have shaped the world long before history books began. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. If you found this as fascinating as I did, please hit that like button. And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you won't miss our next adventure into the world of science. Let us know in the comments what other scientific mysteries you'd like us to explore. Thanks for watching.